I'm Randy. I'm an athletic therapist here at Absolute Therapy.
Hi, my name is Charlene Waldner and I'm a registered massage therapist at Absolute Therapy.
Today we're just going to go over a few exercises that are going to help improve ankle strength and foot strength, specifically for trail runners. So Charlene, can you tell me what brought you in today?
Well, I did this crazy run on Saturday called the 7 Peaks, and it involves a lot of hill climbing, and I've sprained my right ankle a number of times, and I rolled my ankle on the weekend.
Okay, so today we'll go through a couple exercises that you can do before your runs, whether they're training or your big runs, just to help improve your ankle strength as well as just activate everything in there so that you're ready to go when you go running.
Awesome.
So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a ball. It can be what Charlene has, which is a lacrosse ball, which is a lot harder, which I would recommend, or even one of these spiky balls, but you could even use a hard water bottle to do this. So we're going to roll at the bottoms of our feet, so we're just going to put the ball on the ground. We want to make sure that we put the ball at the ball of your foot, and you're going to roll it backwards towards your heel, and then back to the front again. And you want to be putting a decent amount of pressure through here, just so that it should be still comfortable and not too painful, but you should feel it though.
Okay. So I want to use like my whole body weight, or just?
You should be using a decent amount of it.
Okay.
And you want to be doing this about 1 minute to 2 minutes each foot.
Okay. So is this something that I could do before heading up for my run?
Yeah, you can do this before, you can do it after.
Okay, well it feels really good. It's like a foot massage.
Good.
All right.
Okay, and so once you've done 1 minute to 2 minutes each foot, we can move on to doing just single leg balance. So for these, you just want to find your center of gravity. You're going to just lift one leg up, and you'll hold this for anywhere from 30 seconds to 45 seconds, depending on how difficult it is for you.
Okay. Do I want to keep my toes relaxed on this one?
Yeah, so you want to make sure that your foot is stayed as relaxed as it can.
Okay.
You don't want to be grabbing with your toes, and you want to make sure that you're keeping your opposite leg up as well, right? You don't want to be dropping
90
down.
degrees. Okay, I can actually feel my glute on this side really firing.
Good. Yeah, and you can do these for 30 seconds each side. And if something like this is a little too easy for you, you can always close your eyes. It's going to throw
That's
a little bit more
challenging.
proprioception into it.
Wow, that's way harder.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. And so for the next exercise, we're just going to do a 2-footed calf raise. And you want your feet just about like hip width apart. You're going to go up onto the balls of your feet and then back down. And you want to make sure you're going on a 2 count up.
So count up for 2.
Yeah, and then down for 2.
Okay.
And just keeping it consistent and controlled. This one's going to feel fairly easy, but it's just about the movement, right? And making sure that it's a controlled one.
Yeah.
And so for these, you can do 10 to 15 reps.
And again, I can do this before I head out the door.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
It's an easy thing to do. Don't need much equipment. The next progression off of that one is going to be a single leg calf raise. So you're going to pick a leg, you're going to come up, and you're going to go up on your toe, and back down. This one's a lot harder, as you can see.
That is way harder. You think, this looks easy, but it really isn't. Try this at home. And
So,
same thing, like 2 count up, 2
yeah,
count down if you can.
You want to try and keep it a controlled movement.
Okay. Oh.
And
Balance is worse on my right.
Yeah.
That's one that I sprained.
for these ones, if it is a little too difficult just doing it with nothing around, you can always use a wall for support just to help control that movement, because the idea is to obviously strengthen your ankle. Right?
That's really challenging.
Yeah, and so I would suggest to do 8 to 10 reps each side of these.
Okay.
And yeah, so then moving on, we're going to do it's a clock exercise. So once again, it's a single leg balance. You're gonna have a slight bend to the knee that you're on. Your leg's gonna be out, and you're going to kind of sit down and touch in front of you, and then touch out and in front, and then back behind you.
So you're not letting your foot.
Back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so like you can lightly graze the ground if it occurs,
Okay.
but you want to try and keep it as controlled and stay on the one leg as much as possible. So you just want to pick 4 points around your body, making sure that you're going from in front of you, to the side, out in front, out to the side and back, and then straight back. And you want to do that 3 to 5 times each leg.
Would this be good to do in front of a mirror at home, or?
Yeah, definitely. So
Yeah.
then you can make sure that your knee's not dropping in when you're doing it. So you want to keep your knee straight out and in line with your foot and your toes, and making sure that your knee is not going over top of your toes either.
It's really challenging. Definitely more on my right leg than my left leg too. Can really feel the glutes working as
Yeah,
well.
that's good.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Randy. That was simple, and don't need any equipment to really do these exercises at home.
Yeah, no, so it's great. You can do just 1 set before your runs, or upwards of 2. And I would suggest doing it at least 2 times a week, but there is no real maximum to it.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Well, thank you so much. Those were great exercises.
no worries.
If you have more questions or would like a little bit of help for your trail running, you can book in with Randy Hunter here at Absolute Therapy. She'd be happy to help you. And if you're looking for some post-race massage, you can come and see me here at Absolute Therapy as well. Hope you have a great day. And thanks for watching.